Okay, guys, for the lesson for Module 2, Assignment 1, wait, did I say that for the assignment or the lesson? But I meant the assignment. So for the assignment, I wanted to go over really quick the assignment instructions because this is the first time that you will be doing the assignment, a unique assignment that's not in the textbook. Doesn't mean you don't use a textbook. You actually really have to, because you have to learn all the tools in order to create this assignment. So make sure you do the lessons that you're required to do for this week. And I've done tutorial videos for those so that you have a guided walkthrough on some of the things you need to know for those. But when you come in here, there's actually two documents you're going to send to me, therefore two screenshots. The first one's really easy. You just create an 8.5 by 11 page, set up the document settings here, and you're just going to show me that you can draw the most basic of shapes and fill them with color. And then I suggest you experiment with the stacking order. Try to do some keyboard shortcuts to move them through the stacking order, because those are really helpful and help you move really efficiently. And then you're just going to send me that basic. So this is what it should look like, the screenshot, and this is what your file should look like. Now, do you have to do primary colors? No. Can you do cooler things and add more sides to the star? Heck yes. If you want to make it as intricate and cool as possible, that's totally up to you. But this is what I'm looking for at the basic level. So there you go. Then the second part is to do something called Lesson 4 the Compound Path assignment. So this directly correlates to Lesson 4 in your book. And this is where you're going to get creative. And after that lesson, you're going to create a new document that's CMYK. I recommend 300 resolution. Landscape means it's wider than it is tall. And you need to create a landscape. So what is a landscape? It could be just this basic, these spiky little mountains. It could be cooler looking mountains. It could be a desert. It could be the ocean. It could be under the ocean. I don't know. Is under the ocean considered a landscape? Whatever, I'll accept it. So it's basically just a picture of a location. You could do a football field. I don't care. So you just want to think to yourself before you tackle this, though. I don't want somebody to like email me and say, I just spent 18 hours on this. Why is our homework so long? I do want you to do something creative and fun if you're into it. If you want to create something for your portfolio, I think that'd be really cool. And I'm really looking for examples. I don't have any examples to show you guys of previous classes since we just redeveloped this class. So I would love to have some good examples to show everyone. So, but just know that you can keep it this basic. And there are things that you need to do with this. You need to make sure that it's full color. Well, I guess that's not true. You could probably do a pretty cool like black and white landscape with like a pop of color here or there. So don't listen to that part of it. But you do have to show me that you can use at least one of the techniques that you learned in the lesson, and they are all listed here. So you're going to have to tell me what you used and how you used it and why you had to use it, that kind of thing, so that I know that you can do those things. And that's because those are the things that really are going to start to matter when you make more complicated illustrations. They make your life easier if you know what these are and you can do them. So I just want some evidence that you did it. So again, with this one, I need the original AI file, and I need a screenshot like this, because if something goes wrong on my computer, I want to see what you saw on your computer so I can grade you fairly. All right, so just to reiterate, the assignment, the lesson, the stuff you're doing in the lessons in the book, those are just to help you learn the skills. Those are not things that you need to turn into me, and they are not graded for this particular week. You are doing your own unique assignments for this particular lesson that show me that you learned what you should have learned from the textbook and those work through examples, the data files. All right, if you have any questions, let me know.